Hello everyone, welcome to MPS DCDC Designer. MPS DCDC Designer is a simulation tool used to help you create and analyze a power solution with MPS DCDC chips. With MPS DCDC Designer, you can search and select a MPS DCDC chip conveniently. It will also provide a complete power solution and abundant analysis results for the selected chip. So, to install the software, first access the MPS homepage at www.monolithicpower.com. Once you're there, find the Design Support option on the menu bar. Roll down to DCDC Designer, and then click to enter the DCDC Designer page. MPS offers two versions of DCDC Designer. There's a DCDC Web Designer for online use, and a local desktop version. To access the online version, click the link to open the DCDC Web Designer. Click the box labeled I have read and accept MPS Terms of Service, and click I accept to enter the DCDC Designer. To install our desktop version, click the button to download the DCDC Designer installer. Select a download location, then install the installer. Now that you're at the location of your installer file, which in my case is desktop, find the DCDC Designer Setup folder. Because this folder is compressed, be sure you have a method of unzipping it. To install the software, double-click on the installer. Tick I accept this agreement. You can either accept the location that the installer gives to save the files to, or you can select your own location. Click Finish to exit setup. Double-click the DCDC Designer icon to enter the software. You can select the chip using the drop-down menu or using the Select Chip button. Enter application conditions such as minimum and maximum output current, minimum and maximum input voltage, switching frequency, topology, control type, and such. For instance, select MP2482. Users can also modify the input specs and output capacitor type on the left of the design interface. Also, one can tick the box, manually change power stage components, to change component values in the schematic. Click the component when the mouse changes from the cursor to a pointing hand. Enter parameters such as inductance, saturation current, and DCR to find suitable inductors. Further, if you want to change the compensation resistor, click on the component, enter the resistance, and click OK. You can also use the automatic compensation button to restore the circuit to suggested compensation parameters for the feedback loop. After all inputs are complete, click Run to create a new design. Simulation results include typical waveforms, small signal Bode plots, load transient response, efficiency and power loss, bill of materials, and the PCB layout. If the design is okay, you can choose to export the bill of materials. Also, save the design by clicking File, Save Design, and then you can choose to open the design next time you run the software. Thank you for watching our DCDC Designer user guide. For more information, please visit our support page.